How to log out of unknown devices in ChatGPT. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can log out of unknown devices who have logged in your account in ChatGPT. So for that, first head to the chatgpt.com website. Now once you're in the website, click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now once the menu appears, click onto the settings option, and within the settings you will see a set of different menu, and from this menu you can go to security. Now within security, click onto this active sessions option, and from here you can see all of the sessions that you are currently logged in. So basically these are the device name on which your account is currently logged in. If you find any particular suspicious login that you don't recognize, you can simply click onto this logout option and that particular session will successfully log out, thus protecting your account and its data as well. If you wish to log out of all of the sessions apart from the current session that you are currently on, click onto this logout all option and all of the other sessions will be successfully logged out. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.